Did you know your body can launch a sneeze at over 100 miles per hour? So what happens when it starts the whole process and then just doesn't? Watch the face. Nose twitching, eyes watering, every single muscle bracing for impact, and then nothing. But inside? Pure chaos. Your brain already fired the launch sequence. 40 muscles got the call. Nerves showed up ready to work. Then out of nowhere, a cancellation order comes through at the last second. Every single system just stands there, confused, holding all that pressure with absolutely nowhere to put it. Your face outside? Just vibes. Slightly betrayed vibes.